We'll get this thing going. Hey, how you doing? It's the Radio Bar and Grill, Party 102.1 FM, and in the studio, I got Rebecca Field and I got Dina Mead, and I got a bunch of broken equipment today. It wasn't broken yesterday, so I don't know what the hell's going on. Anyway, how you girls doing? Talk into that when you talk.
How are you? Nice to be here. Wonderful to see you as always.
You got to talk into them. Don't go down on it. Just talk in it. There
you go. You know how I am, though.
Yeah, I know.
You don't know
anyway,
me.
Yeah, it's all good. So
Worldwide Pirate Radio.
All right. So we can see you on camera now, and we can see what you got going on. So we're having a show in here tonight. We got a bunch of bands playing, and I was out background music here for some reason. All my CD decks are dead except this one. I'm not worried about it. Maybe it's Rebecca's CD. What'd you do to your CD?
No, it worked fine in the car.
Yeah, right.
I did get in a truck earlier, and I kind of probably sat on it. So, oops.
I don't want to care. I don't really care about your sex life. It's all good. Anyway, what we're trying to do is get it set up. So we got some live music tonight, and you guys want to talk about the program tomorrow, and we're doing the program today. So let's do this, and then we'll get it all figured out. You're on, okay. Dina.
Well, next up we got Zigzag America. Jimmy Starr's on vocals. We got Mick Tabbs on guitar, Jack Schaefer on bass, and Bo Garrow on drums. The band is actually out of Newport Richey. They were originally formed in 1993 by Jimmy and Mick. Current lineup has been since February of 2012. Please go to their website, check them out, all their new dates and everything at zigzagamerica.com.
All right, so we're going to hear from them in a few minutes, right? And then, but until then,
well, we'll talk about the show a little bit. Dina and I had spoke many times. Dina and I have been friends for a long time, and I write a lot of original material. I've never really had the opportunity to play it out as much as I'd like to. I've been in a lot of cover bands, and I've been doing this most of my life, and I figured, well, let's go ahead and let's do some originals. Let's get some original showcases together. Let's support the local original musicians and music scene that kind of has fallen on the wayside over the years. You know, people seem to not support it as much as they used to, and we want to try and bring that back. So with that being said, we kind of put our heads together, and Dina does a lot of promoting. She's always been wonderful at that and helped me out many times. And so we put this together. Actually, she's done all the work. I just have the mouth. And we're going to be doing this tomorrow at Screwy Lewis Porpoise Pub. The address, please. Oh, do I have the address? I don't have that. Well, anyway, you just find it's in St. Pete. I don't have that.
It's actually in Seminole, honey.
Oh, that's
Seminole
place.
Boulevard.
St. Pete, Seminole. It's all the same. Just go down Seminole, you get to St. Pete. I mean, it runs through all these counties. You know, it does.
It's Keith. He's messing y'all up.
Yes, this is Little Keith, by the way. LKW, Little Keith Wilkins in the house, bitches. Now, and for those of you who know Keith Wilkins, actually, apparently you don't know me. I'm Keith Wilkins, bitches.
And it's a conspiracy theory, of course.
And it's all a conspiracy, but Keith's here. He's going to be interviewing Jeff Attolo and his new band, Quarter Mile Rebels. And I found this this little guy today, and Keith, I think maybe there was another son. I don't know that your mom ever told you, but I think that now you know, and he's actually a little smaller than you. Who knew? Shit. So anyway, what we're doing anyway, we've got, how many bands are going on tomorrow? She knows everything that's going on. I don't, but I just act like I do.
Tomorrow, 6 bands going on. We start out with Kenny McGee and Marcus Lee that are doing an unplugged version. Now, I just got a phone call from Marcus today saying that their drummer might be there as well. So that might actually be. He's got to pay to be there. Yeah. But we've got 6 bands, 10 acts total. It's going to be a great day. Open jam starts around 8-ish, of course, where everything's on schedule and working well, but we all know how this goes, so. Now Keith's taking pictures. But anyhow, we've got a great lineup tomorrow. We've got Kenny McGee, Marcus Lee Unplugged. During the 20-minute break, we've got Buddy King that's actually going to be doing a solo acoustic. After that, we've got Diamond Gray playing a full 45-minute set. And then we've got Jason Tosmack. He's going to be doing acoustic. We've got Buddy King Shotgun Junkies, and that's actually their debut performance tomorrow.
And the Pistols.
And the Pistols,
And
of
the
course,
Pistols.
because they're the sexy bitches.
That's what it is.
Can't forget them.
Girls.
And then, of course, after that, you know, Kevin had to stick his nose in, so we got Third Story Basement going on right before Undercover Betty.
Kevin Keane could not get left out.
I know.
He can't get left out.
Yep, I know. Well, you know, he usually calls my phone just to get to you when we're together.
I know.
After that, we got Dark Savant doing an acoustic act. Zigzag's coming on after that. During the break, Lee Pons is going to do his one-man show, and then we got Tommy Rocks and Big Deal. Then we're going right into Open Jam, so it ought to be a good day. It starts
Did
at
you say
1:30.
Undercover Betty?
Yes.
Oh, just kidding.
I said-
She didn't say. No, she didn't. She didn't say Undercover Betty.
I said Kevin Keane.
Actually, everywhere
Third Story Basement was going on before Undercover Betty.
Oh, see.
Just to
see.
aggravate her.
I thought we had Undercover Betty in here, so we were supposed to be nice.
That's right.
I don't
Gotta
have to be nice to her. She's
You
like
weren't
one of my
being
besties.
You know, every time it seems like we when we play, it's always raining, so we're underwater, Betty, most of the time. It's just always raining. Last night, monsooning.
Yeah,
That's,
we dealt with that last night too, and I'm afraid we're going to deal with that tonight, tomorrow, and the next damn day, because I just looked at the weather a little while ago, and it's still raining. It's not raining here though, so if you're out there and you're not down here, now it's time to get down here, because you know we got this going on.
And please,
So-
women, wear white T-shirts when you come.
Yes, and no bra.
Or an undercover Betty
And
shirt.
because that gets little Kevin excited there.
Keith.
Keith.
Oh, sorry,
Kevin,
little
Keith, they're all the same.
I forgot that. Yeah, it doesn't
I'd
matter.
like to thank
Kevin
Teresa. Oh, shit. I just dropped him. You're
Keith.
dead,
Yeah, as
little
long as you're
Keith.
down there. You're down there. Yeah, okay.
I'd like to thank Teresa for making the glasses. They're very well made. She's quite an artist.
Yeah, she is.
She
She
They're
is.
not as usually as tinted as Keith fucking Wilkins glasses.
Go ahead, let us know.
Well, Keith's got the glasses, and you know, so
And
now,
the press pass, of
and,
course.
yeah, band all access, of course.
Wilkins,
You know.
apparently you don't know me. Apparently I'm with the Historical Center Society. Thank you very
God
much.
Almighty.
And the Hall of Fame. Pat me on my head. I'm short. It'll work.
Kiss my ass. Apparently. Okay, so let's kick this off, shall we? Are the guys ready out there?
Absolutely.
Are
I
they
believe
want to
so.
play now? You think?
Well, if they want to.
We got Zigzag America going to be playing up in here, and so you know, until then, we'll get them all set up. I'll get what we got, Undercover Betty on this thing that's
Little
skipping.
Keith's staring at me really weird right now, okay? I'm feeling a little bit violated.
Let's see if this thing plays, and then we'll bring on Zigzag America then. a
Undercover
little
Betty
ahead of it,
music
huh?
now, that's right.
Is this Undercover Betty or just Rebecca?
Well, that's all of us. Well, yeah. Rebecca with Undercover Betty.
That is Rebecca. It sounds like you.
She's a sexy bitch.
She is a sexy bitch. I'm sorry. All right, we're going to listen to this. And not
I know, little Keith's looking at me. Little Keith, where you going? Little Keith! Little Keith!
Oh, he's down there. He's trying to get him some of it. Look at that. He's a cougar shooter.
A cougar
I
shooter?
can't believe that. He got his whole damn head down in there.
You know, I knew I'd be embarrassed by some of them.
Nice. All right, so enjoy this. While the band gets tuned up, we'll have Zigzag America up in a minute. Listen to the skips. This is a great CD. Thanks for bringing it in. We
My fault I
appreciate it.
put my ass on
Thanks
it.
for playing all
Well,
the
if you
skips.
hasn't cracked it, it would have been playing perfectly. I forgot to tell her it has a crack in it. How many times have I got to tell you girls crack kills?
All the time, every time.
Right.
Again and again and again and again.
Anyway, we'll be right back here with Zigzag America on the Party Pirates. Stay tuned for a minute, and then we'll listen to the cracked CD.
To avoid another crash. Well, all that I had to say, the time for words have passed. Balance is exceeded. It's time to cut the line. Well, I'm in the middle, leaving here. Take me go. You are a lover that I wanna feel. Your stare, tall, dark, and handsome. I like your curly brown hair, rugged and stable. You got what I like. A simple room, a table for two. Well, it's a lonely town tonight. Join me here. Dance for life is where we stand on stone tall together. Yeah, together. Stop and listen. Walk this way. You're stronger than Samson. You really make my day. Silent yet mighty. You got what I like. A single room, a table for two. Well, it's a lonely town, alright. Join me here on a dance floor of life. It's where we stand on so tall together. Yeah, together. Someone's crying in misery. I wonder if it's me. Always looking outside of someone else's room. Someone's sharing my memories. I wonder if it grieves. 'Cause wise men have shown that life's no good alone. Is where we stand all so tall together. Yeah, together. It's you and me together. Yeah, together. We gotta keep it together. All together.
There you go. That was, oh crap. Then went Mike. There you go. What was Undercover Betty? And
that was called Skip. That song's called Skip.
No, yeah, right. Well, I think now this down into the part of the CD that's not cracked that Dina didn't sit her butt on. It is what it is. So anyway, what I've got lined up for you, ladies and gentlemen, is right here. Can you guys hear me out there? Just talking to the microphone so I can hear you in here. Hey, you can hear me out there, right?
I can hear you out here louder than I can hear me.
Well, you're not going to hear yourself. I told you I don't like bands, so I don't turn their damn level up. Give me a second. What we got? Dina, go ahead and introduce the band again. It's
Zigzag America.
Yeah, Zigzag America. I said Zigzag America. You know, tell
I'd like me to introduce, but I can add that Nikki Zarnacki is going to be taking a lot of band pictures tonight. She's offered her time. That's nice.
Zigzag America. Zigzag America.
All right, we're going to quit screwing around now. I'm going to put them on. Give yourself 2 seconds so I can get your level up. And ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. And a big round of applause for Zigzag America. Thank you.